Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I had some things going around in my house with some new flooring, and my whole house was kind of out of sorts, and then I'm going into work more versus teleworking, so it's just been a lot going on the last month. But I wanted to come back and share a Dollar Tree sticker video. One of the things that I had been having trouble with is finding stickers that were kind of new, or that I wanted to use for the series. So I ran across, I think this is like an oldie. Here's the sticker here. It's a 10-piece sticker set with the black background. Kind of looked like the chalk writing on it. And I know I've seen this several times, but when I saw it in the store this last time, I thought, I'm gonna make a card using this collection of stickers. So as you can see, I used two. So let's take a look at the card. So here's the card. I think it turned out really cute. I used a die set from Spellbinders. It's I don't know what this one's called. I think I purchased this after seeing Gigi here on YouTube use it. And this is the fancy edged oval dies. And this is from Spellbinders. And so here's the card. I used a hello from my stash. And then I just put the two little plants, potted plants on here. Backed it up with some brown paper from my stash, and along with some black paper from my stash. Put a couple of dark gems from, I think these are from, I want to say Waffle Flower. But I think it's a really cute card. It's kind of different with the colors being a little bit dark. But I like it. Let me know what you think below. Thank you for watching the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And stay tuned for the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.